Americans' 25 healthiest communities. Americans also eat fewer vegetables, fruits, whole grains, dairy products, and oils than recommended. Nearly 42% of American adults are obese. Statistics from the US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention show one reason may be that healthy foods are often more expensive than packaged foods. Packaged foods tend to have higher amounts of salt, refined grains, sugar, and unhealthy oils, not recommended by the dietary guidelines for Americans. The CDC notes that high blood pressure and high cholesterol caused by consuming too much salt are the leading causes of heart disease and stroke. Current guidelines recommend getting less than 2300 milligrams of salt a day, but most Americans consume more than 3400 mg a day on average. The culprit: more than 70% of the salt that Americans eat comes from packaged, processed, store bought, and restaurant foods. The CDC says ultra processed foods are designed to fire up cravings and desire for these foods, and advertising, which is everywhere, reinforces those argues. Samantha Heller, a senior clinical nutritionist at NYU Langone Health in New York City, said recently, it is not the fault of the consumer that they long for ultra processed foods, but it is up to us to recognize the manipulation by food companies and to take control of what we choose to eat. Choosing unhealthy foods does more than pack on the pounds. Being overweight or obese ups the odds of developing type 2 diabetes. Among US adults, 96 million have prediabetes according to the CDC. Diabetes can lead to poor circulation, resulting in amputations, and the blood sugar disease is also linked to vein loss and kidney disease. In addition, the CDC says an unhealthy diet can increase the risk of some cancers. Eating unhealthy food and drinks can lead to chronic conditions that put up people at high risk of at least 13 types of cancer, including uterine cancer, breast cancer in postmenopausal women, and colon cancer. Colon cancer is also associated with eating red and processed meat. Part of the problem, according to the CDC, is access to healthy food. Food is all around people, but much of it is not healthy. Grocery stores have aisles and aisles of foods packed with sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Only a fraction of store space is devoted to healthy vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. The agency says that more access to healthy foods is needed in communities, at work, and at school. The physician say, commit the physician commit for responsible medicine argues people to switch to a plant-based diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Your diet should limit crabs, red meat, and dairy. They say speak about the obesity epidemic among American teens. Dr. David Katz, a specialist in preventive and lifestyle medicine, and president of the True Health Initiative, said it's a losing battle that's been waged for more than 3 decades. Stated bluntly, this is a national disgrace because this problem is one with dire consequences that we could fix anytime we genuinely committed to doing so. Cat said recently, what's needed is a cultural change and a commitment to a healthier lifestyle. Obesity rises relentlessly because whole industries profit from it, he pointed out. The problem worsens because far more resources are invested in propagating the problem than in fixing it. Katz added, we know for instance that we have a food supply to willfully addictive junk food designed to maximize eating, yet make fertile recommendations for portion control without addressing the root cause. Copyright 2023 Health Day, all rights reserved. Tags Diet and Nutrition.